Hello guys and welcome back. So let's talk about another concept, which is a dictionary. That's another variable. Because we have all those like names and ages, and we have four names, right? We have four ages. Combine them together like this is a little bit difficult because you kind of wanted to, say how you want to pair Ted's name to his age, right? And so that it's easier to get like a corresponding number. So if you ask the Ted's age, you can get 25 instead of trying to say, okay, this is Ted, this is the age. There's no relationship between those two, right? It's hard to use this data type to store information like that. Okay, so in order to do that, we need another type, which is dictionary. So let's go ahead and create one. Let's call this name age. Okay, that's going to be equals to this time curly bracket. Okay, and you can type in Ted and then a column and then the name the age of Ted, like 25, and then you can say Amanda, right? Amanda, and then maybe 23, and then we can say how about Sam, and maybe he's a little older, like 56. Okay, now we can go ahead and print this out. Name age. You can see we got like those, right? So this is a dictionary, not like a list that uses index to get each atom. This one uses a key to get values. So you have these key value pairs. Okay, for every pair you have a column. On the left side of the column you got the key. On the right side of the column you got the value. So there is like a key value pair, and of course you have comma between the pairs. Okay, so what we can do here is, like, if I want to get the age of Ted, all I have to do is, if I want to print it out, I can say name age, and then I can get Ted, and then I got 25. If I were to get Sam's, I got 56, right? And if I wanted to change anything, like I can change Ted's age to like 26. All I have to do is name age, and then Ted will be equals to 26, and I can print out the name age again. As you can see now, this time we're getting the different age for Ted. All right, cool. Now, if you're trying to, get a name that doesn't exist, like, for example, maybe Mac, right? You get actually adding a new one. Okay, so if it doesn't exist, you're assigning one. Okay, but if you're trying to get one, like you want to maybe instead of getting a new one, if you want to print out Mike here, and you got 26, I guess it's because we added already. But if we're getting like something doesn't exist, like maybe Toad, you got a warning arrow here because it doesn't exist. But if you wanted to still like say, okay, if it doesn't exist, just give me nothing, you can say dot get. This is a safer way of getting. So if it doesn't exist, you will not get an arrow, you will just get none. Let's try that. Toad. Okay, so you're getting none. Okay, so that's just another way of getting it. All right, cool. So other than that, you can also get a list out of a dictionary. So if you wanted to say name list will be equals to name age dot keys, and this is going to give me the keys of the, all the keys of this name age dictionary, and you got a list out of that. So you can go ahead and print this out, and you got like these guys. Okay, and you can also get the values for as a list, so we can say age list will be equals to name age dot this time values. Okay, and we can print this guy out, age list, and you got the values, right? Cool. So that's gonna be a dictionary. As you can see, it's pretty useful, right? And this data type doesn't exist in many other languages like C++, for example. So Python does have all those cool data types that can be used in a very flexible way. All right, that's gonna be another data type we can talk about.